Selecting a quality home appliance warranty company involves considering some core metrics. These assist you in determining whether a provider is able to provide reasonable and quick assistance if something goes wrong. From checking credentials to perusing the fine print, every metric counts for buyers seeking peace of mind and value. Inspect a home appliance warranty company's reputation through industry awards, customer testimonials, or years of experience, verifying reliability and quality. Read through coverage and sample contracts carefully to see what is included, excluded, and if there are any limitations such as caps and waiting periods. Evaluate the provider's service network. Do they have reputable local contractors, and are emergency services available for quick repair? Research customer reviews and ratings across a variety of independent sources to understand satisfaction, claims, and service quality. Evaluate things like average monthly premiums, service call fees, and coverage caps across providers to ensure you are making an informed and cost-effective decision. Read the contract carefully and look for cancellation, transferability, and renewal clauses. So why is it so hard to find a home appliance warranty company that's actually good? Companies with proven service records, easy claim processes, and reasonable fees usually rise to the top. Request sample service contracts and observe their response time to inquiries. Great support teams and transparent rules for what they cover can guide you to a quality provider. The following section highlights key points to guide you in picking.